The concept of chakras comes from ancient Indian spiritual traditions, where they are understood as centers of energy located in the human body. The word chakra is derived from the Sanskrit term meaning wheel or disc, symbolizing the energy centers that rotate and vibrate with life force. According to these traditions, there are 7 main chakras, each corresponding to specific physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of our being. Understanding and balancing these chakras is thought to be crucial for physical health, emotional stability, and spiritual growth. Root chakra Muladhara, location base of the spine, near the tailbone, color red, element earth, associated with survival, stability, security, and grounding. The root chakra or Muladhara is the foundation of the chakra system and represents our connection to the earth. It governs our basic survival needs such as food, shelter, and safety. When this chakra is balanced, we feel secure, grounded, and confident in our ability to meet life's challenges. An imbalance in the root chakra can manifest as anxiety, fear, or physical problems related to the legs, feet, and lower back. To balance the root chakra, grounding exercises such as walking barefoot on the earth, practicing yoga, or meditating on the color red can be helpful. Eating root vegetables and spending time in nature can also help in grounding and stabilizing this chakra. Sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, location lower abdomen, about 2 inches below the navel, color orange, element water, associated with creativity, sexuality, pleasure, and emotions. The sacral chakra or Swadhisthana is the center of our creative and sexual energies. It governs our emotions, desires, and the flow of energy between ourselves and others. A balanced sacral chakra allows us to express our emotions freely, enjoy pleasure without guilt, and maintain healthy relationships. When imbalanced, one might experience emotional instability, sexual dysfunction, or a lack of creativity. To balance the sacral chakra, engaging in creative activities such as painting, dancing, or writing can be beneficial. Water-based activities like swimming or spending time near water can also help to harmonize this chakra. Meditation on the color orange and focusing on the fluidity and flexibility of water can further support its balance. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura, location upper abdomen, near the stomach, color yellow, element fire, associated with personal power, self-esteem, willpower, and confidence. The solar plexus chakra or Manipura is the center of our personal power and self-confidence. It governs our sense of self-worth, autonomy, and the ability to take action. When this chakra is balanced, we feel confident, motivated, and capable of setting and achieving goals. An imbalance in the solar plexus chakra can lead to issues with self-esteem, excessive control, or feelings of helplessness. Balancing the solar plexus chakra can be achieved through exercises that promote self-confidence and empowerment, such as affirmations, martial arts, or public speaking. Activities that involve the core muscles, like yoga or pilates, can also strengthen this chakra. Meditating on the color yellow and visualizing a radiant sun at the center of your being can help to energize and balance this chakra. Heart chakra, Anahata, location center of the chest, near the heart, color green, element air, associated with love, compassion, forgiveness, and relationships. The heart chakra or Anahata is the center of love, compassion, and emotional balance. It governs our ability to give and receive love, both to ourselves and others. A balanced heart chakra allows us to experience deep connections, empathy, and forgiveness. When imbalanced, one might struggle with feelings of jealousy, resentment, or emotional coldness. To balance the heart chakra, practices that cultivate love and compassion such as loving kindness meditation, gratitude journaling, or acts of kindness, can be helpful. Spending time in nature, particularly in green spaces, can also support this chakra. Meditating on the color green and visualizing a glowing emerald at the center of your chest can help to open and harmonize the heart chakra. Throat chakra Vishuddha. Location: throat, near the larynx. Color: blue. Element: ether. Space: associated with communication, self-expression, truth, and creativity. The throat chakra, or Vishuddha, is the center of communication and self-expression. It governs our ability to speak our truth, express our ideas clearly, and listen to others. A balanced throat chakra allows us to communicate effectively, express our creativity, and speak with authenticity. An imbalance in this chakra can lead to issues with communication, such as shyness, dishonesty, or difficulty in expressing oneself. To balance the throat chakra, engaging in activities that encourage self-expression, such as singing, journaling, or public speaking, can be beneficial. Practices like deep breathing exercises, chanting, or reciting affirmations can also help to clear and strengthen this chakra. Meditating on the color blue and visualizing a bright blue light at the throat can further support the balance of the throat chakra. Third eye chakra Agya. Location: forehead, between the eyebrows. Color: indigo. Element: light, associated with intuition, perception, wisdom, and spiritual insight. The third eye chakra, or Agya, is the center of intuition, insight, and higher consciousness. It governs our ability to see beyond the physical world and access inner wisdom. A balanced third eye chakra allows us to trust our intuition, perceive things clearly, and connect with our spiritual selves. When imbalanced, one might experience confusion, lack of clarity, or an over-reliance on logic without intuition. To balance the third eye chakra, practices that enhance intuition and insight, such as meditation, visualization, or dream journaling, can be helpful. Spending time in quiet reflection, engaging in mindfulness practices, and cultivating a sense of inner stillness can also support this chakra. Meditating on the color indigo and visualizing a glowing indigo light at the center of your forehead can help to open and balance the third eye chakra. Crown chakra Sahasrara. Location: top of the head. Color: violet or white. Element: cosmic energy, associated with spiritual connection, enlightenment, unity, and transcendence. The crown chakra, or Sahasrara, is the highest chakra and represents our connection to the divine, the universe, and our higher selves. It governs our spiritual awareness, sense of unity with all life, and the realization of our true nature. A balanced crown chakra allows us to experience spiritual enlightenment, a deep sense of peace, and a connection to the greater whole. When imbalanced, one might feel disconnected, spiritually adrift, or overly attached to material concerns. To balance the crown chakra, engaging in spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, or yoga can be beneficial. Spending time in silence, contemplating the nature of existence, and focusing on the interconnectedness of all life can also support this chakra. Meditating on the color violet or white and visualizing a brilliant light at the top of your head can help to open and harmonize the crown chakra. The 7 chakras are intricate energy centers that play a crucial role in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By understanding and working with these chakras, we can cultivate balance, harmony, and a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. Whether through meditation, mindfulness, physical activity, or creative expression, there are many ways to support and balance each chakra, leading to a more fulfilled and enlightened life.